This is how society, how our modern day lives are set up. It's actually a little bit challenging to figure out how and when am I going to work out every single day. Part of the problem of this is it's not just you or I. Having had this epiphany of I have to work out every day, this is essential, this is for my mental health and also physical health. This epiphany that I've had, I've been sharing it with a few other people and they've said, oh yes, same for me. What I notice is, but our regular modern day lives of most people sitting all day does not facilitate the kind of life where we can do this. I now have a standing desk. I'm still trying to get in the habit of using it on a more regular basis because all of my work actions don't really align with using it standing all the time. But I'm trying to use it standing more often and be more cognizant of, am I taking breaks during the day or walking during the day rather than just sitting for 6 straight hours in a row. Some of this is we don't have a system that's set up to support us walking every day, moving every day, nor do we have the acknowledgement that what if this isn't just a thing that I find that I need in my life? What if every human being every day needs to move your body for health, mental health or physical health? But this isn't, maybe this is a standard. I feel like probably they talked about it in health class in school, but it's almost like, how is it that we talk about it, but society and work and all these other things are not set up to make it happen? And then many of us feel like, oh, I'm failing, I'm not doing this, blah, blah, blah. Well, between working, caring for children, and whatever other life responsibilities, making food, doing laundry, whatever, maybe it's hard for most of us to find the time to do this. Which leads me to the conclusion, is this an individual thing then that's a concern? Or is this more the way we set up, I'm going to say work, because work is where we spend most of our time. And for most of us, work is sedentary or minimally physical. So how is that serving the population? It's like, this is both an individual problem or individual thing to solve, yes. And what if we could solve it more systematically at a level of all of these workplaces changing it, all of these systems changing it? That would be more powerful and more profound. Lastly, I'll say that you are encouraged, hopefully, to know that if your mental health is something that you struggle with, I hope that you have those that support you. I hope that you know that you can problem solve.